If you are an active trader on any DEX exchange, then definitely you will face transaction issues. But after so long, BSC sought out that issue of transaction, liquidity and pools. Most of the popular coins in market at this time moving to BSC scan now. And in this video, I will share a coin with all of you that is now available on BSC and on PancakeSwap exchange. So your transaction fee issue resolved. If you want to know more about this hidden gem on PancakeSwap exchange, then stay tuned with us, because minimum if you are going to buy this token right now, then at least 25x easily for you.
Feel uninvited.
XDN will be available on a decentralized exchange DEX. Anyone in the world will be able to buy XDN as the wrapped version WXDN, and WXDN is right now available on the BSC scan. And secondly, you can easily buy the token directly from the PancakeSwap exchange at this time. Some main features of the XDN which make it entirely unique. The first one is the fastest confirmations on the Binance Smart Chain, cross-chain interoperability from the native XDN to WXDN on the Binance Smart Chain, super fast transactions to and from the Binance Smart Chain. Trade XDN on your favorite DEX at super low fees. That is basically the major issue at this time about the transaction fee. And store your XDN on your favorite wallet, MetaMask, Binance Smart Chain and different wallets. Access to the latest DeFi apps and opportunities. Digital Note XDN is one of the first cryptocurrencies that is truly resistance to 51% attacks. This feature is a result of two separate systems that are now implemented: the proof of work, proof of stake hybrid distribution, and VRX v3.0 difficulty retargeting algorithm. The network is now secured via both proof of work and proof of stake. That means an attacker must not only have 51% of the network hash rate, but also 51% of the coins. So these are the basic unique factors, and right now you have the chance to buy this coin, Digital Note coin, with the name WXDN on the PancakeSwap. The new digital master node enables the instant transactions. When a user specifies an instant transaction, the transaction is broadcast to the entire network immediately through the master node network. Users can now send and receive XDN and messages in seconds if they want. Right now here you can see the entire blog of the XDN, that right now this token is available with the name of WXDN, and definitely at least this token will give you minimum 20 to 25x if you are going to buy it right now. Expansion of the trading pairs. Users will be able to swap WXDN directly with many other tokens listed on the PancakeSwap Binance Chain, BSC. The best part which I love the most on the BSC scan, that is the lower fees and fastest transactions compared to many other DEX. WXDN will be available to leverage this as the core offering from the PancakeSwap and Binance Smart Chain. Users will be able to store their WXDN on their own choice wallets like MetaMask, Binance Smart Wallet, the Trust Wallet. These type of wallets it will basically support up. Digital Note will be able to further expand its DeFi, decentralized finance offering in the future by leveraging PancakeSwap foundational capabilities like liquidity pool rewards, staking and farming. XDN holders will have yet another choice to earn a passive income. Today they earn by staking in Qt wallet or via running as XDN master node. They will be able to earn by contributing to our WXDN pool. The pools will be available soon on the PancakeSwap, so you can easily use the pool and you can farm your tokens, you can stake your tokens, the WXDN tokens, and get some more income just by holding the token and just by staking this token. So that is such a great news and huge news, that why that's why basically I make this video for all of you, that right now this token XDN with the name of WXDN, the wrapped version of XDN, is available on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, and also it is available on the PancakeSwap. So simply you can buy this token directly on the PancakeSwap exchange at this time. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.